Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 12th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see on the Russell. The Russell is full of surprises and all. The Russell is still green. It's still above a yearly R2, and it's still trading near its high. And it made, as we're going to go down here to this monthly chart and see right quick, the Russell is green. It did go above a quarterly R1, push back down below, got to close here this week below this quarterly R1. So, and it's still above the 9-10 moving average, which is showing that it is, and it's beginning to get a little steepness to it, showing that it is getting into a strong bull market. But we know with this Russell, you got to be careful and all. But it's been going pretty consistently green. It hasn't been doing any crazy candles like it was doing back here in the past, where you get these big, huge candles, It's been just steady money. It got one right here, but it's been kind of like steady moving up and all. The Russell is the one that's kind of behaving like a real bull here, like it really wants to go up. And as we go down here to this weekly chart, as we can see, the Russell made all-time highs again this week. It did get pushed down. It did make an all-time high this week, all-time high. But we have formed a doji and all. So it did come up to an R1 level and a little bit above that R1 and push back down. Right now, this is the time where, okay, you got that selling pressure, all this wick up here. Now you can start looking to see what this thing is going. It's going to roll over and give you that short play. It gave you the breakout above here. It had broke out last week above the level where that was down here around somewhere around 250 that I was looking for it to break above, and all. It's gotten above that, but now it could be done. With the Russell. But I would wait for that bearish looking pattern first on a higher on this weekly time frame before I would get short. Or I'll be looking at what I see on the daily time frame and see what I see at that time. Because the Russell is in blue skies right now, and it doesn't like getting in blue skies. It really turns really cloudy real quick on the Russell. But we got to kind of like just wait and see what happens here. But that's what I see. The Russell has a doji at the top, looking like it might be done. We just got to kind of like wait and see though. Let's go ahead and go down to our daily noise and see what we see there, and zoom in. As we can see, the Russell has been going steady straight up, kind of sideways, up, kind of sideways, up, and right now at the top we got a bearish engulfing. So that's why, again, here even on this daily noise, on the daily chart, it's showing a bearish pattern. But we've seen this before on the Russell. Back here, these days right here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last Friday, it gave you a bearish looking pattern like it might have been ready to go down. And then on Monday, it didn't give you a confirmation. It gave you a red candle, but your confirmation, you're expecting your confirmation candle of this bearish pattern to give you a candle somewhere down here. Not up here like what happened here. So again, you're going to be looking for the same thing if you want to get bearish on this thing. It's all according to how you want to play it. You can wait for that confirmation candle to form somewhere down here and play it to the downside, or any pop play to drop, no trade recommendation, or you can sell something above the market to get bearish, sell calls, short stocks, or whatever that's in the Russell. No trade recommendation there, but that's how at this time I would look to play it. And then as soon as you get, you didn't get confirmation over here, so that's why the Russell has been a strange one. So again, you never, if you waited for confirmation, you never would have got short. You never would have lost any money. You never would have got on the wrong side of the market. On here again, if you wait for the confirmation before you try to play it short, you may be okay. And that's the whole thing. On the Russell, when it gives you back here, as we can see on this bullish pattern, and it's been in a bullish trend for a while, when you got confirmation, and all with this candle right here, it was okay to go ahead and play it to the upside and all, no problem. But on all these bearish plays that we got here, you had a little bearish thing here, no confirmation. You had a little bearish play here, no confirmation. You got another bearish play here. You had to see it. It's almost best the way the Russell has been going to wait for that confirmation and all, or have a trading strategy where you can manage it in some kind of way where you can keep your losses small. And all you have to be really disciplined about, when you need to get out of your trade if you want to short this thing at this time. But that's it, because it is the only one that's making all-time highs at this time. So again, it's leading the way to the upside, and everybody else is kind of stagnant and going sideways or going down. So be careful. All I say, plan it to the upside. Be careful. Trying to play it to the downside. Be careful. It's one of those. It's just one of these ones where you better have a strong strategy and you better be pretty disciplined whatever how you want to play it at this time. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is our Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you got a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.